Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a decrease in the lemon peel stitch. So I've already made a couple of lines here of our lemon peel stitch. So what I'm going to do is I ended with a single crochet here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 2, and so your next stitch here should be a double crochet, and then you should have a single crochet and then a double crochet and then a single crochet. So what you're going to do is you can look at this stitch, which is what I usually do, but also if you look at this third stitch, you know that this third stitch here is a single crochet, so the stitch right before this one has to be a single crochet, and a double crochet has to work in this stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over like I'm doing a double crochet, and I'm going to put it through, and then I'm going to pull through 2 stitches here. And now I know that this stitch right here needs to be a single crochet, so I'm just going to put my hook through like I would on a single crochet, pull a loop through. So now I have 3 loops on my hook here. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So what I did here was a double crochet to single crochet decrease, and so now my next stitch here is a double crochet just like it would be working it just a normal regular stitch here. So I'm going to continue the pattern now all the way down to the last couple of stitches, doing just my double crochets and my single crochets all the way down until I get to the last 2 stitches, that is, and then I'll do another decrease. So here I'm at my last 2 stitches now. So my last stitch is a double crochet and then a single crochet, and I just did a double crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like I'm doing a single crochet. So I'm going to put my yarn through on the double crochet through the stitch. I'm going to pull up a loop, and now the next stitch would be a double crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to put my hook through the single crochet and pull up a loop, and now I'm going to pull through 2, and then I'm going to pull through all 3. So that was my single crochet to double crochet decrease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to turn this over, I'm going to look at it. So now I know that I ended here with a double crochet, so the next one that I'm working here, so I had a double crochet and then a single crochet right here, but I combined them both to make 1 stitch. So right here, my next stitch here is a double crochet, then I have a single crochet. So if I'm going to work this all the way down, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to do a double crochet in this first stitch right here, the stitch that we decreased, and then I'm going to work a single crochet in the double crochet, and I'm going to just continue my pattern all the way down. And you see how here it has made that decrease, so it's just a little bit kind of more inwards right there. And so you work it all the way down until you get to this last stitch, and you can see like this last V right here on top. Now let's say that I wanted to make a decrease in the middle. This is much harder. Again, sometimes you may have to do this, especially working certain projects, that type of thing. I usually do increases with beanies. I don't do a lot of decreases in this, but I can see why you would want to. It's a little bit harder, so you're going to have to do kind of 2 in a row to get it to look the way, or for the stitches to come out the way that you want them to. Also, it's a good way to make a V-stitch. So what you want to do here is, so my next stitch that I'm working into is a double crochet. So I'm going to do what I would do like a single crochet. So I'm going to put my hook through, and I'm going to pull up a loop, and then my next stitch after that is a single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to put my hook through the single crochet, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 1. So now I've got my single crochet to double crochet decrease, but you see here my next stitch here is a single crochet. So what I'm going to do here is, or double crochet, I'm sorry, a double crochet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and do that again so my stitches work out evenly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do here, I would do a single crochet in this stitch. So I'm going to do single crochet, and then I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. And see, my next stitch here now is a double crochet. So I'm just going to go ahead and work my single crochet into that, and then I'm going to go ahead and work my double crochet into the next. And that's how the pattern, how you get it to kind of even out there, is by doing it that way. So you work kind of 2 in a row to get the stitch pattern to even out. And then you would just continue on the way that you're doing. Or at least that's how I found the easiest way to get this pattern to even out. If you're doing increases and double and decreases in the middle of the stitch. And you can see I've got a knot here. So here you would just continue on doing your single crochet and your double crochet, and then your single crochet, and then your double crochet in the end. So now when you turn it, chain 1, and then you're going, the first stitch there is going to be a single crochet. So when you're working your way down now, you're going to do a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and then here's where your decrease stitches come in. So you're going to do a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and now you're getting back into your regular stitches. So you're going to do single crochet, double crochet, and you're just going to work the pattern just like you have been. And see how this evens out nicely, and you really can't even tell any difference, because there really is no difference now in the middle of this pattern where those decreases were at. This is the best way I've found to do a decrease in the middle of the stitch. If you guys want to know more, just shoot me a comment down below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell to get notifications. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy hooking!